No, man, HTT is actually a really good school. They teach you everything you really need to know in the most simplest way possible. So just showing you hands-on everything.
What's up, man? This is Brett from Houston Trade Training. I guarantee y'all gonna love this. Everything's hands-on, you know. So it's like all right there for you to learn. So I suggest you take it so you can get you a real job. Peace out, man.
My name's Gary Birch. I just completed the course for the trade school, and it's a good course. It's real hands-on. You learn a lot, learn everything you need to know to get you started, and I recommend it a lot. And you should come out and take it so you make some real money.
Okay. Hello, my name is Joaquin, and I just want to say that I highly recommend this hands-on training AC and heating school, and I give it 2 thumbs up.
How's it going, everyone? I would like to definitely recommend this class in school to anyone that's interested in a career in HVAC technician. It's 5 weeks and 5 weeks of very hands-on. I learned a lot. Our instructor was one of the best. The school was outstanding. I definitely learned a lot, and I definitely would recommend this to anybody that wants to have a career in HVAC technician.
My name is Idalia Espinosa, and it's a great class to come and learn everything, hands-on, great teachers, great place.
How you doing, people? Anybody that's serious about a real job need to come and get into the HVAC industry. It's a lot booming, especially if you know what you're doing. I got a lot out of it. I appreciate the instructors. They really make sure that you know everything that you need to know before you go out there, before the employer puts you out there. So I gained a lot of valuable information from this course. I even can call if I have a question. I'm not even in the class anymore. So I think that everybody should at least take an insight to it, look into it, and see what you can gain for it. You might find more than what you think.
What's up? My name is Gerardo Lopez, and you know what? This school right here was real hands-on training, and it was a great benefit to me to help my life, to advance in my starting life as old as I am right now. But you know what? There's always, you know, a good class, you know, that you need to get involved in and, you know, make yourself some money. And you know what? This is the right opportunity for myself and making some good money for myself as far as, you know, getting HVAC license. And this school was awesome. The teacher was awesome. Everybody here is awesome. You know, the students, everybody, you know, hands-on training, you know, so, you know, you get a benefit regardless. The main thing is you gotta put yourself out there and pay attention, you know, because even in the school and in real life, you still gotta pay attention. So you know what, you know, the school benefited me regardless, and you know what, so that's what's up. Shout out to Houston Trade, you know, training. So shout out to the staff and stuff, man. It's hey, you know what? Definitely a life opportunity and a life-changing event. So, all right, peace.